May I have your Lordship kind permission to commence the proceedings? Yes. With the permission of Lordship, may I now read out the office notification. High Court of Manipur at Imphal, notification dated 14 July 2026. It is hereby notified that there will be a reference on the demise of Raghumani Singh, retired State Counsel, High Court of Manipur, and Ngathingkhui Max Phazang, MJS Grade 1, retired Registrar, Guwahati High Court, Imphal Bench, on 15 July 2026 at 11:30 a.m. in Chief Justice Court, that is Court Room Number 1, before Honorable Chief Justice M. Sundar, Honorable Mr. Justice A. Hon'ble Singh, and Honorable Mr. Justice A. Guneswar Sarma. Reference by Mr. Narim Umakanta Singh, Vice President, High Court Bar Association of Manipur, Mr. K. Samajit Singh, Deputy Solicitor General of India, Mr. S. Brazavihari Singh, Chairman, Bar Council of Manipur, Mr. Lenin Hizam, Advocate General, Manipur, Mrs. Bini Ngangom, District and Assistant Judge Chandal, also President of All Manipur Judicial Officers Association, Mr. L. Birendra Kumar Sama, Retired District and Assistant Judge, also President of Retired Judges Association. For reference by court, Honorable the Chief Justice. Thereafter, 2 minutes of silence will be observed. May I now request Mr. Narim Umakanta Singh, Vice President, High Court Bar Association of Manipur, to kindly address the gathering.
My Lord, Justice M. Sundar, the Honorable Chief Justice of the High Court of Manipur, my Lord, Justice Ante M. Singh, Honorable Judge of the High Court of Manipur, my Lord, Justice A. Guneswar Sarma, Honorable Judge of the High Court of Manipur, Sri Lenin Hizam, Learned Advocate General Manipur, Sri S. Brazavihari Singh, Respected Chairman, Bar Council of Manipur, Sri K. Samajit Singh, Deputy Solicitor General of India, Srimati Bini Ngangom, District and Assistant Judge Chandel, and also the President of the All Manipur Judicial Officer Association, Sri L. Birendra Kumar Sarma, Retired District and Assistant Judge, and also the President of the Retired Judges Association, Sri Ojes Mutum, Registrar General, Sri K. Ajit Singh, Registrar Judicial, and other official staff of the Registry, learned senior advocates, Judicial Officer of the Manipur State Judicial Service, including the retired judicial officers, learned advocates, family members of the deceased, ladies and gentlemen, and all present. Today, on this 15th day of July 2026, we gather here in the Honorable Chief Justice Courtroom Number 1 of the High Court of Manipur to condole the said demise of two members of our legal fraternity, namely late Sri Raghumani Singh, advocate, a member of the High Court Bar Association Manipur, who expired on the 29th day of June 2026, and late Sri Ngathingkhui Max Phazang, MJS Grade 1, retired Registrar, Erstwhile Imphal Bench of the Honorable Guwahati High Court, and a member of the All Manipur Judicial Officer Association, who expired on the 2nd day of July 2026. I first start my reference with the demise of late Sri Raghumani Singh, advocate. Late Sri Raghumani Singh was born on 3rd April 1955 at Kesampar, Imphal. He completed his bachelor's degree from the prestigious DM College, Imphal, in the year 1974, and obtained his degree in law from Lucknow University in the year 1977. After enrolling in the erstwhile Bar Council of Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, and Tripura in the year 1977-78, he started his legal practice under the guidance of late Thangzam Priyandar Singh, a renowned senior advocate. After being in the private practice for nearly 30 years, he was engaged as a state counsel in the office of the Public Prosecutor cum Government Advocate, High Court, in the year 2007. He was also appointed as an additional Public Prosecutor, High Court, on temporary basis in the year 2013, which he served until his age of superannuation. He continued his legal practice even after his superannuation on being engaged as a retainer advocate in the Manipur State Legal Service Authority in the year 2017, which he continued to serve till the year 2025. Late Sri Raghumani Singh was having some health issues for quite some time, and he breathed his last on the 29th day of June 2026. Ta Raghu, as we used to call him, is survived by his wife, On'ble Sorojini Devi, and 2 sons and 1 daughter. Hurem Nozi, who is the first son, is presently working in the Dairy Department Government of Manipur. His second son, Hurem Soba, is an advocate practicing presently before this court and as well as in the subordinate court. Hurem Dimple is the only daughter, and she is pursuing her higher studies. I now give my reference on late Ngathingkhui Max Phazang, MJS Grade 1 retired Registrar of the Guwahati High Court Imphal bench. Late Sri Ngathingkhui Max Phazang was born on the 1st March 1951. He did his matriculation in the year 1966 under the Board of Secondary Education Assam, and also completed his pre-university course from Guwahati University in the year 1967. Thereafter, he completed his bachelor's degree in history honors from the prestigious Hansraj College, Delhi University in the year 1970. He went on to complete his LLB as well as LLM courses from Delhi University in the year 1973 and 1976, respectively. After completing his studies in law school, Sri NZ Max Phazang joined the Manipur Judicial Service in the year 1977, and his first posting was at Chuachampur in the same year. Thereafter, he was posted as a Judicial Magistrate First Class Bishnupur in the year 1981, and before becoming the Chief Judicial Magistrate Chuachampur in the year 1983, he was on deputation in the Ministry of Law, Justice and Company Affairs, Government of India in the year 1982. He also served as the Deputy Registrar Guwahati High Court Imphal bench. Thereafter, he was promoted as MJS Grade 1 and started serving as Additional District and Session Judge, Manipur West. Again, as a presiding officer, Revenue Tribunal, Manipur, that is where I had my first interaction with him. And he went on to become the District Judge, Session Judge of the two erstwhile Judicial Division, Manipur West as well as Manipur East. Finally, he served as a Registrar of Guwahati High Court, Imphal bench until his superannuation from service. After his retirement from regular service, he was engaged as a consultant of the Guwahati High Court Imphal bench for some time. Late NZ Max Phazang is survived by his wife, Srimati Kashula Phazang, who is a retired school teacher, and 3 daughters and 1 son. The first daughter, namely Miss Yanmi Phazang, is also an advocate, presently practicing at Delhi High Court as well as before the Honorable Supreme Court of India. The second daughter, Mrs. Paumi Pem Phazang, is a proprietor and managing director of Milon School at Dimapur, Nagaland. And the third daughter is currently pursuing her master's in music, choral conducting program at Singapore. His only son, Mr. Thurek Phazang, is running a very successful venture that is a restaurant by the name and style of Hoksa at Imphal. On the demise of late Raghumani Singh, advocate, and late Sri NZ Max Phazang, MJS Grade 1, we have lost 2 valuable members of the legal fraternity as well as 2 important members of the society. I, on behalf of all the members of the High Court Bar Association Manipur, and also on my own behalf, express our deepest pain and sorrow on the demise of the 2 departed souls and convey our condolences to the 2 bereaved family. I pray to the Almighty God that let the departed soul rest in eternal peace. With this, I conclude my reference, my lords.
Next, I request Mr. K. Samajit Singh, Deputy Solicitor General of India, to kindly share a few words.
Yes, Your Lordship, Justice M. Sundar, Honorable Chief Justice, High Court of Manipur, Honorable Mr. Justice A. Bimol Singh, Honorable Justice A. Gunesh Sharma, Judges of the High Court of Manipur, Sri Lenin Singh Hijam, Rana Advocate General Manipur, Sri S. Brajabihari Singh, Chairman Bar Council of Manipur, Sri N. Umakant Singh, Vice President High Court Bar Association, Srimati Bining Angum, District Assistant Judge Sandil, President All Manipur Judicial Officers Association, Sri L. Birendra Kumar Sharma, Retired District Assistant Judge and President Retired Judges Association, Additional Advocate Generals of Government Advocates of the State, Central Panel Councils of the Central Government, Senior Advocates, Registrar General, Judicial Officers, both serving and retired, all registrars, registrar officers, staff of the High Court, all my esteemed colleagues of the Bar, and everyone present here. On this 15th day of July 2026, we have assembled here again with a profound grief and a deep sense of loss to pay our respectful tribute to the memory of late Raghumani Singh, advocate in the late Ngathingkhui Max Phazang, retired Registrar, Guwahati High Court Imphal bench, who had left us respectively on 29 June 2026 and 2nd July 2026 for their heavenly abodes. I first do the reference on late Raghumani Singh. My learned brother, late Raghumani Singh, having completed his LLB degree from Lucknow University in 1977, took up the profession without losing much time by joining the chambers of late T.H. Piyanand Singh as senior advocate, by enrolling himself with the erstwhile Northeast Bar Council, where he remained associated for a considerable period of time, while also preserving his independent character. In the year 2007, while practicing independently and seeing his proven character and mettle, Sri Raghumani Singh was called up by the state government to take up the position of the state government counsel with the office of the public prosecutor cum government advocate amongst the three newly appointed individuals that time, where he continued to serve with deep sense of responsibility, upholding the cause of justice. During his tenure with the government, he was appointed again as an additional public prosecutor in 2013, as the exigency of service may call for back then, to take up prosecutorial tasks as well, apart from his normal civil and service matters, and he continued doing so till his retirement in 2017. Immediately upon retirement from Government Advocate's Office in 2017, looking at his good reputation and dependability, late Raghumani Singh was again called up by the Manipur State Legal Services Authority to work as its retainer advocate, where he enjoyed every bit of his time in rendering valuable legal assistance to the most needy, significantly contributing in ensuring access to justice for the underprivileged, weaker, and marginalized sections of the society. He continued to serve in that position till his disengagement very recently in 2025, owing to his bad health. Despite his deteriorating health challenges in the later phases of his life, he remained committed towards the cause of justice and the profession, and he would find solace in intermingling with youngsters, mentoring, guiding, and steering them in their pursuit of this calling, and his goodness lies in his availability all the time. My personal interaction with him at the start of my practice was also very adorable, as he sought his openness and approachability at all times, and I can vividly remember many occasions where he had accommodated me without any demur or reservation. In him, the bar has lost a valued member. Many of us have lost a friend and a brother. I, on behalf of the central government, extend my heartfelt condolences to late Raghumani Singh's family, particularly to his wife, Veeramombi Sarojini Devi, 2 sons and 1 daughter, of whom the last son is a legal practitioner in the state. Now I go on to the reference of Sri Max Phazang. Late Max Phazang, having entered judicial service at a very young age, that is immediately upon his obtaining LLM degree from Delhi University in 1977, after a brief practice upon completion of LLB degree from the same university in 1973, is fondly remembered by both bar and bench alike. Served the judicial institutions with exceptional distinction over several decades. Late Max Phazang, after his brief postings as JMFC or Munsif by then, in Chorachandpur, Bishnupur districts from 1977 till 1982, had an opportunity to serve the then Ministry of Law, Justice and Company Affairs, now Ministry of Law and Justice, of the Government of India on deputation basis in 1982 for about a year, which in itself was an acknowledgement of his distinguished service beyond state's boundaries. As per my understanding so far, he should be the only judicial officer from Manipur who had served on central deputation, for which we are truly proud of. Late Max Phazang, on return from central deputation, was again posted at Chorachandpur as CJM in 1993, and during the course of his service in the year 1999, he completed courses on mediation and conciliation under the Indian Council of Arbitration and Mediation, and further served as Deputy Registrar Imphal bench of the Guwahati High Court, Additional District and Sessions as Manipur West, then later as District and Sessions as for both Manipur West and Manipur East, then judicial divisions also. Till he finally took up the role of a Registrar of Guwahati High Court Imphal in October 2006, till his retirement on 1/3/2011. Apart from his distinguished service career as judicial officer in various grades, led Max Phazang's distribution to the establishment and construction of the present High Court building and complex during his tenure as Registrar of Imphal Bench, Guwahati High Court during 2006-2011, which was a precursor to the establishment of a separate High Court of Manipur, will be etched indelibly in the annals of this High Court's history. Considering his expertise, experience, and contributions so far made, the Honorable High Court then had continued to utilize his services as consultant beyond his retirement, with effect from 1/3/2011 for about a year or year and a half. Beyond his official accomplishments, late Max Phazang was remembered for his gentle disposition, courteous demeanor, and compassionate outlook. His accessibility, humility, and willingness to guide younger officers and members of the bar endeared him to all who had the privilege of working with him. He lives behind a legacy of professionalism, discipline, and ethical excellence that will continue to inspire generations of judicial officers and legal practitioners. His passing has created a void that will be deeply felt by the judiciary, the legal fraternity, and all who knew him personally. While we mourn his loss, we also celebrate a life devoted to the noble cause of justice and public service. I, on behalf of the central government, I convey our heartfelt condolences to the bereaved members of his family, bereaved families of both the families of late Raghumani Singh and late Max Phazang. And we pray that the Almighty grants them strength and fortitude to bear this irreparable loss and blesses the departed souls with eternal peace. May the noble souls of late Raghumani Singh and late Ngathingkhui Max Phazang rest in eternal peace. With this, I conclude my reference. Always.
Next, I request Mr. S. Prajabihari Singh, Chairman, Bar Council of Manipur, to kindly address the gathering.
Honorable Mr. Justice M. Sundar, Chief Justice, High Court of Manipur, Honorable Mr. Justice A. Bimol Singh, Judge, High Court of Manipur, Honorable Mr. Justice A. Guneswar Sharma, Judge, High Court of Manipur, Shri Lenin Hizam, Learned Advocate General, Manipur, Shri K. Samarjit, Deputy Solicitor General of India, Shri N. Umakant Singh, Vice President, High Court Bar Association, Manipur, Mrs. Bini Ngangom, District and Session Judge, Sandel, President All Manipur Judicial Officers Association, Shri N. Birendra Kumar Sharma, Retired District and Session Judge, President Retired Judges Association, respected Registrar General and his officers, my esteemed colleagues of the Bar Council of Manipur, members of the High Court Bar Association, and staff of the Registry, we have assembled today once again to condole the sudden and untimely demise of Shri Raghumani Singh, the retired State Counsel, High Court of Manipur, and Ngathingkhui Max Phazang, MJS-I, retired Registrar, Guwahati High Court, Manipur, Imphal Bench. Late Raghumani Singh, advocate, was born on 3rd April 1955, and he passed away on Monday, the 29th June 2026, at the age of 71 years. He is survived by his beloved wife, William Ongbi Sorojini Devi, and 2 sons and 1 daughter. He enrolled as an advocate with the Bar Council of Manipur, Assam, Nagaland, etc. during the year 1977 to 78, bearing enrollment number 101 of 1977. Subsequently, upon exercising his option, he was transferred to the Bar Council of Manipur. He joined public service as public prosecutor cum government advocate, High Court, Manipur, for conducting government cases before the Guwahati High Court on 14 June 2007. Throughout his dedication, integrity, and the commitment to justice, he was promoted to the post of additional public prosecutor cum government advocate, High Court of Manipur. Advocate High Court on 29 July 2013. Late Ngathingkhui Max Phazang was born on 1st March 1951, and he passed away on Thursday, the 2nd July 2026, at the age of 75 years. He was survived by his beloved wife, Mrs. Khokshila Phazang. He joined Manipur Judicial Service in the year 1977. Thereafter, he served in various capacities, including Chief Justice, Judicial Magistrate, Deputy Registrar, Guwahati High Court, Imphal Bench, Additional Session Judge, Imphal West, District and Session Judge, Imphal West and the First and West and East, Registrar, Guwahati High Court, Imphal Bench. On these said occasions, I, on behalf of the Bar Council of Manipur and on my behalf, express my deepest condolences and share the grief of the bereaved families. With the passing away of such distinguished members of the legal fraternity and legal community, he lost its most esteemed and illustrious members. At this hour of grief and sorrow, let us all pray to the Almighty God to grant strength and solace to the bereaved families and eternal peace to the departed souls. May their souls rest in the eternal peace.
Next, I request Mr. Lenin Hizam, Advocate General, Manipur, to kindly say a few words.
Honorable the Chief Justice, Mr. M. Sundar, Honorable Mr. Justice A. Bimol Singh, Honorable Justice A. Guneshwar Sharma, Samarjit Singh, Deputy Solicitor General of India, Mrs. Bini Ngangom, District and Session Judge, Chandel, and President of the All Manipur Judicial Officers Association, Mr. L. Birendra Kumar Sharma, Retired District and Session Judge and President of the Retired Judges Association, our Registrar General, Additional Advocate General, Deputy Advocate General, senior members of the bar, and my colleagues at the bar, serving and retired judges of the state, and also the family members of the deceased. We have all gathered today with a profound sadness to condole the passing of two legal luminaries of the state, late Sri Raghumani Singh, a distinguished state government counsel who passed away on 29 June 2026, and late Mr. N.G. Max Phazang, a distinguished former registrar of the Guwahati High Court and also a retired district and session judge of the state, who passed away on 2nd July 2026. Late Sri Raghumani Singh was indeed a professional who contributed in the office of the public prosecutor of the government of Manipur in the High Court, and he is remembered by the bar and also in the office of government advocate of the High Court as a mentor who took keen interest to mentor the junior members of the bar. And later on, during his private practice, he is considered to be a champion of the marginalized community. His legacy of quiet strength and professional excellence will continue to inspire those who have privilege of working alongside him. He leaves behind an incredible mark on the legal fraternity and the community he served with such an devotion. Late N.G. Max Phazang, the legal and academic communities of Manipur condole the passing away of the late Max Phazang, a man of profound integrity and trailblazer of the Tangkhul Naga community. As the first advocate from the Tangkhul community to hold LLM degree, his commitment to academic excellence and justice has set a standard in itself for generations to come from the different communities. His foundational leadership as president of Naga Student Union Delhi remains as a testament to his lifelong dedication towards his community. on behalf of the state government and the Office of the Advocate General and my own behalf, I extend my deepest condolences to his family members, friends, and colleagues. May their soul rest in peace.
May I now request Mrs. Bini Ngangong, District and Assistant Judge Chandel, to kindly address the gathering.
Honorable the Chief Justice, Justice M. Sundar, Justice A. Bimol Singh, Judge High Court of Manipur, Justice A. Guneswar Sharma, Judge High Court of Manipur, Sri Lenin Hizam, Learned Advocate General, Sri S. Bihari, Chairman Bar Council of Manipur, Sri Samarjit, Deputy Solicitor General of India, Sri N. Umakanta Singh, Vice President, High Court Bar Association, Sri L. Birendra Kumar Singh, retired District and Session Judge and President of the Retired Judicial Officers Association, Sri Ojes Mutum, Registrar General, High Court of Manipur, senior members of the Bar, judicial officers both serving and retired, respected members of the Bar, distinguished guests, family members, namely Ms. Kaswila Phazang, Ms. Yanmi Phazang, Ms. Paumipem Phazang, Mr. Manhom Lumu Kikon, Ms. Tuirak Phazang, Ms. Venetia Salam, and Ms. Nimrai Phazang. And dear friends, we are gathered here today with a heavy heart to pay our respects to two legal luminaries, both officers of the court and true gentlemen of the law, Sri Huirem Raghumani, Advocate, and Sri Ngathingkhui Max Phazang, MJS-I, former Registrar, Guwahati High Court, Imphal Bench. As we mourn their passing, we also celebrate their lives that was remarkably well lived in the service of justice, integrity, and the people of Manipur. Sri Huirem Raghumani, Advocate, was born on 3rd of April 1955. He was a distinguished member of the legal fraternity of Manipur, whose life was devoted to the service of law, justice, and society. Throughout his legal career, spanning several decades, he had unwavering commitment to the legal profession. He completed his Bachelor of Arts from DM College, then affiliated with Guwahati University in the year 1974. Thereafter, he pursued his legal education and obtained the degree of Bachelor of Laws from University of Lucknow in 1977. Following the successful completion of his legal studies, he was enrolled as an advocate, thereby commencing a legal career that would span nearly 5 decades. During his illustrious practice, he represented numerous litigants with sincerity, diligence, and exceptional professional ethics. He firmly believed that the legal profession was not merely an occupation but a noble calling dedicated to the administration of justice and the protection of the rule of law. In recognition of his legal acumen and professional integrity, he was engaged as State Government Counsel in the Office of the Public Prosecutor cum Government Advocate High Court, Manipur, for conducting government cases before the Guwahati High Court with effect from 14 June 2007. His services reflected his deep sense of responsibility in safeguarding public interests and upholding the cause of justice on behalf of the state. Subsequently, on 29 July 2013, he was temporarily appointed as Additional Public Prosecutor, High Court, Manipur, where he continued to discharge his duties with dedication, impartiality, and professional excellence. In 2017, he was engaged as a retainer advocate under the Manipur State Legal Services Authority, through which he rendered valuable legal assistance and contributed significantly towards ensuring access to justice for the underprivileged, weaker, and marginalized sections of society. He continued to serve in this capacity until his disengagement in 2015. Now I come to the reference of Sir Max Phazang. Born into a generation that understood the value of sacrifice and discipline, Sir Max Phazang's journey into the judiciary began with a formidable academic foundation. A student of history and law, he secured his BA Honours in History from the prestigious Hansras College, University of Delhi in 1970, following which he earned his LLB in 1973 and his LLM in 1976. This rigorous education, steeped in the liberal arts and the intricacies of jurisprudence, equipped him with a rare combination of empathy and analytical rigor that would define his career for decades to come. Sir Phazang's judicial career was nothing short of illustrious. He joined the Manipur Judicial Service on 26 February 1977, taking the oath as a Munship, Judicial Magistrate First Class Churachandpur. He moved through the ranks with distinction, serving as Munship at Bishnupur, deputed to the Ministry of Law in New Delhi in 1982, and returning as Chief Judicial Magistrate. His service during the 1980s and 1990s was characterized by an unshakable commitment to the rule of law. As Additional Session Judge Manipur West, and later as Presiding Officer Revenue Tribunal, and then as District and Session Judge for both Manipur West and Manipur East, then he presided over complex matters with a demeanor that was firm yet fair. He understood the weight of his judgment not just in legal terms, but in human terms. Perhaps his most defining contribution came during his tenure as the Deputy Registrar and later as the Registrar of the Guwahati High Court, Imphal bench, with effect from 1810-2006. In this administrative capacity, Sir Phazang was the backbone of the Imphal bench. He navigated the unique challenges of the region with astute administrative skill, ensuring that the High Court functioned smoothly despite the logistical and infrastructural hurdles of the state and the challenging law and order situation. Even after his superannuation, his commitment did not waver. He served the institution again as a consultant for the Guwahati High Court Imphal bench, proving that his dedication to the judiciary was not merely a profession but a calling. He was also a man of modern vision. Recognizing the need for alternative dispute resolution, he completed a specialized course in mediation and conciliation under the Indian Council of Arbitration and Mediation in 1999, well before such practices of ADR mechanism in the Indian judiciary became mainstream as it is today. Beyond the ropes and the case files, Sir Phazang was known for his gentle dignity. To his colleagues at the bar, he was a mentor, to the staff a compassionate leader, and to the litigants a beacon of hope. He embodied the maxim that justice must not only be done, but must be seen to be done. Today, we salute those sons of the soil. We recall their passion for history, mastery of the law, and unwavering integrity. On behalf of the legal fraternity and the All Manipur Judicial Officers Association, I extend my deepest condolences to the families and loved ones. We pray that they find the strength to bear this irreparable loss. Sirs, you have finished your race. You have kept the faith. Your legacies will continue to guide us. May your souls rest in eternal peace. I conclude my reference here.
Next, I request Mr. L. Birendra Kumar Sarma, retired District and Session Judge, to kindly say a few words.
The Honorable the Chief Justice M. Sundar and his companion judges, Honorable Mrs. Justice A. Bimon Singh and Honorable Mrs. Justice A. Guneswar Sharma of the High Court of Manipur, learned members of the bar and the bench, retired judicial officers, and the ladies and gentlemen present. I, L. Birendra Kumar Sharma, the present President of All Manipur Retired Judicial Officers Association of Manipur, on behalf of the association and on behalf of myself, do humbly record our deepest sorrow and the heartfelt condolence on the untimely demise of our beloved brother, Shri Max Phazang, MJS Grade 1, retired Registrar of the then Guwahati High Court Imphal bench. an eminent judicial officer and a distinguished stalwart of the subordinate judiciary he was. Being a member of the subordinate judiciary of Manipur, his illustrious and remarkable career is worth mentioning. Mr. Phazang made significant and enduring contribution to our legal jurisprudence. One can find the truth in the reasonings as reflected in his judgment, civil, criminals, and revenue. In this hour of profound grief, with a heavy heart, I do recall his integrity, intellectual acumen, and strict commitments to the cause of justice and independence of judiciary during his short period of judicial service. Being a Christian, Mr. Phazang was also with rare qualities like altruism, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, gentleness, and self-control. I found not a single day of his being engulfed with anger. One could find his smiling face with his warm heart when one met him. He was associated with the members of both bar and bench equally. In short, his legal fraternity, the legal fraternity of this state will always be with his sweet remembrance. In this ceremonial session of our High Court, this humble written reference is brought to the attention of my Lord, the Chief Justice, and the companion judges to mourn the loss of our beloved brother, Shri Max Phazang. May his soul rest in peace in heaven with Christ. Amen.
Now for reference by court, may I request Honorable the Chief Justice to kindly address the gathering.
My learned brothers, on the sentence of judges in this court, Honorable Mr. Justice A. Bimol Singh and Honorable Mr. Justice A. Guneshwar Sharma, Mr. Lenin Singh Hijam, Advocate General for State of Manipur, Mr. S. Brajabihari Singh, Chairman, Bar Council of Manipur, Mr. K.H. Samarjit Singh, Deputy Solicitor General of India, High Court of Manipur, Mr. N. Umakanta, Senior Advocate and Vice President, High Court Bar Association, Manipur, Mrs. Beni Nyango, District and Sessions Judge, Chandel, and President, All Manipur Judicial Officers Association, Mr. L. Birendra Kumar Sharma, Retired District and Sessions Judge and President, Retired Judges Association, Mr. Ojesh Mutum, Registrar General, High Court of Manipur, and esteemed members of the High Court Bar Association of Manipur, Bar Council of Manipur, members of the Judicial Officers Association and Retired Judges Association who are present here today, officers and staff of the registry, family members of late Raghumani Singh and late N.G. Max Phazang, and gentlemen and ladies who are here, and all those who have joined virtually and or watching the live streaming of today's reference. We have assembled here today in a state of grief, profound grief, if I may say so, to mourn the demise of Raghumani Singh, advocate, on 29th June 2026, Monday, leaving behind his wife, Mrs. Hon'ble Sarojini Devi, and two sons, Noji and Soba, and one daughter, Dimple. We have also gathered here today to pay our solemn respects to NG Max Phazang, former district and sessions judge, who left us on 2nd July 2026, Thursday, leaving behind his wife, Mrs. Kashula Phazang, three daughters, Yanmi Phazang, Paimopim Phazang, Nimrei Phazang, and one son, Toirak Phazang. I am informed that both late Raghumani Singh and NG Max Phazang had left their legacy entrenched in the legal firmament through Mr. Soba, younger son, and Yanmi Phazang, second daughter, respectively, both in the legal profession, now practicing as advocates. Late Raghumani Singh was born on 3rd of April 1955. He completed his Bachelor of Arts from DM College, then affiliated to Guwahati University in the year 1974. Thereafter, he pursued his legal education and obtained degree of Bachelor of Laws, LLB, from University of Lucknow in 1977. Following the successful completion of his legal studies, he enrolled as an advocate with erstwhile Bar Council of Assam, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Manipur, Tripura, Mizoram, and Arunachal Pradesh, bearing enrollment number 101 of 1977-1978, thereby commencing a legal career that spanned nearly 5 decades. He was engaged as state government counsel in the office of the public prosecutor, cum government advocate, High Court, Manipur, for conducting government cases before the Guwahati High Court with effect from 14th of June 2007. On 29th July 2013, he was appointed as Additional Public Prosecutor, High Court of Manipur. In 2017, he was engaged as a retainer advocate by the Manipur State Legal Services Authority, and he continued to serve in this capacity till 2025. Late NG Max Phazang was born on 1st of March 1951. He completed BA Honours in History from Hansraj College, University of Delhi in 1970. Thereafter, he earned his LLB degree from Faculty of Law, University of Delhi in 1973, and he completed LLM from the Faculty of Law, University of Delhi in 1976. He joined the Manipur Judicial Service in 1977 and was first posted as Munsif cum Judicial Magistrate, First Class, JMFC, at Churachandpur. He also served as Judicial Magistrate First Class, JMFC, at Bishnupur in 1981. At one point of time, he was deputed to the Ministry of Law, Justice and Company Affairs, Legislative Department, Government of India, New Delhi in 1982. Thereafter, he served as Chief Judicial Magistrate, Churachandpur, in 1983. Late N.G. Max Phazang successfully completed a course in mediation and conciliation in the Indian Council of Arbitration and Mediation in 1999. He also held the office of Deputy Registrar at the erstwhile Imphal bench of Guwahati High Court. After that, he served as Additional Sessions Judge, Imphal West, and subsequently as District and Sessions Judge, Imphal East. He retired as Registrar of erstwhile Imphal bench of Guwahati High Court on attaining the age of superannuation on 28th of February 2011. After his retirement, he continued to serve as Registrar, Consultant to the erstwhile Imphal bench of Guwahati High Court till August 2012. Demise of such robust men of law is a poignant reminder of the ephemerality of human life. We are reminded that every human journey has its ordained conclusion. Such moments compel us to pause, reflect, and to renew our awareness that life is transient and that what truly endures is the goodness we leave behind. We have assembled not just to observe a tradition, but to pay a heartfelt tribute to the departed souls whose life were defined by dedication, impartiality, and professional excellence. To the bereaved families, I, on behalf of High Court of Manipur, extend profound condolences and commiserations. We share your grief and hope that you find strength and courage needed to navigate and tide over the bereavement with equanimity and fortitude. Their memories will live on in the collective hearts of this institution. The Registry is requested to forward this message to the families of late Mr. Raghumani Singh and late Mr. N.G. Max Phazang. We shall now observe 2 minutes silence as a mark of respect.
May I seek your lordship permission to close the proceedings?
Yes, please.
The proceedings is hereby closed.